Hey guys, it's Stop Casper here. So today, like 2 hours ago, my friend's dog died. Yeah, it's pretty upsetting. But, okay, so this is how my friend's dog was actually born. Like, we actually gave the dog to my friend, like my neighbor. So my female dog, she was having babies. She had like 8 or 9. We had to give them away because we couldn't live with 10 dogs. So we gave one to our neighbor, and he was named Cooper. And 2 hours ago, he died. I'm just really upset. Please comment what you guys think. Comment below if you ever lost a pet. I'll see you guys later.